Hey, this is Caleb310 here again, and here we have a Mossberg M590. See, you probably can't read that, but see, it comes with a fixed stock, this design, and this oddly placed safety. That's safety, and that's fire. And it comes with a pin-a-candy rail right there on top. Has an adjustable hop up. It moves back and forth here. Here's the trigger. There's a magazine. It's 180 rounds. And see, it's actually small to hold 180 rounds. But see, the reason it is because you don't load it regularly. See, what you do is you pull this back here and then you shake it. And they go into the chamber. So you can see that yellow BB in there, but there's plenty more. And then after you empty it, you just pull the magazine out and do that again. So here I'll show y'all by shooting it. And it also has this tip. Now this is mossberg M590 cans. It probably ain't gonna be good. Reloading. Alright, now this time I'm going to shoot it sort of like a real shotgun. There's going to be plenty of BBs flying out, but it's going to be like 10 FPS or something. It flies all over the place. It's all just because it uses the whole magazine in probably one shot. Alright, we're going to try it with the hop now. See, it'll probably fly up. Should. Flies a bit actually straighter, I think. Not sure. But it's a cheap gun. You can buy it at Academy for about 30 bucks. But if you really have to have it, you can get it. But it's not the best gun. As you can see, some of them misses were my fault, because I'm not very good with sometimes this kind of shotgun, because the aim and sight's blocked by the rail, the mounting rail. And sometimes you accidentally press the safety, causing it not to shoot. But it's not a gun that's required. But yet, it's still a good gun. So if you want it, you can. Mostly anybody can get it at Academy. Alright, signing out.